You're losing a sale right now, not because your product is wrong or your price is off, but because someone landed on your website at 9 p.m. on a Tuesday with a simple question and nobody was there to answer it. An AI chatbot can handle those after-hours questions automatically, and you can have one running in a single afternoon. Start with a 20-minute exercise. Pull up your email inbox, Facebook messages, phone notes, wherever customers reach you. Look for the questions that come up repeatedly. What are your hours? Where are you located? How much does it cost? How long does delivery take? Do you take appointments? What's your return policy? Write them down in a simple document. That list becomes your chatbot's foundation. The more specific you are, the better it performs. We're open Monday through Saturday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Closed on major holidays is far more useful than we're open most days. Here's an honest limitation. If your hours, pricing, or policies change often, you'll need to update your chatbot manually every time. It won't pull live information on its own unless you set that up separately. For small businesses with fewer than 15 employees, 3 tools stand out. Tidio combines live chat with an AI assistant called Lyro. The free plan covers 50 AI conversations per month. Plenty to test if this works for you. Paid plans start around $29 per month. Setup is a simple code snippet copy-paste, and most builders have a dedicated spot for it. Freshdesk with Freddy AI is worth considering if you're managing high email volume. The free tier handles basic tickets. AI features start around $15 per user per month. Chatbase lets you feed it documents, your website URL, or FAQ content to build a custom bot. Plans start at $19 per month. It handles nuanced questions better than simpler tools. Your chatbot is only as good as the information you feed it. Start with your FAQ list, then add your full product or service list, shipping area, refund policy, and troubleshooting questions. Write answers the way you'd actually talk to a customer. We'll refund you within 5 to 7 business days. Just email us your order number instead of formal legalese. The AI picks up your tone. Before going live, plan for questions your bot can't handle. Set a fallback response. I don't have the answer to that one. Let me have someone follow up with you directly. What's your email? This is far better than a bot confidently making something up. Test it yourself. Ask your most common questions. Then try something weird, off-topic, or with a typo. Better yet, ask someone unfamiliar with your business. Those sticking points show you what to add to your knowledge base. You can't be available around the clock, but with a few hours of setup and a clear list of your most common questions, you ensure the next person who shows up after hours doesn't leave empty-handed.